Hi everyone, this is Cindy Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. I'm sharing some product I recently got from CC Designs, as well as other things from my stash. So these are going to be Halloween inspired cards, and so I am using Sweet Tooth, which was a Simon Says stamp exclusive from Waffle Flower from September last year. So I'm excited to see all the different products for September this year. I do end up getting quite a bit of things from September because I just love all the exclusives that they have. But I used this one, and then I used this Pretty Pink Posh Halloween Friends with my favorite cute little bee bear. So cute. And the dies. And then from the Not Too Shabby shop, I'm using this tree right here, which is from CC Designs. And it's the pine background stamp. So I did some masking as well. So, I also used the Booyah from Lawn Fawn, which I must have put away. So here is this one. So I used Distress Oxide inks to ink my background. I'm still kind of playing with that and trying to get better at it. I used my Copics, and I did some masking to have my ghosts kind of peeking out from the trees. It says Booyah on there. And I also sprayed the card with this stuff, which I am loving. It's the Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray in Sparkle. So it gives you like a clear coverage, kind of like a stickle, but not a glue. That makes sense. So it's a spray. And it is very, very sparkly, which you can't probably see very well in the video, but super sparkly. And I did use stickles on the ghosts. And then here is this other one, which I did a galaxy style background. And I did some masking on this one for my pumpkin and my marching vampire. It says no tricks, just treats. So there's this one, and this one I also sprayed with the sparkle. It is very sparkly. I don't know if you can tell, but there's that one. And then here's the one using the Pretty Pink Posh. This one I did not do any masking. It says Happy Halloween. I also sprayed with that shimmer spray. It's super, super sparkly. And I just cut all my images out and used the dies. I used the dies for that. But this one I did some paper piecing, which I just kind of love the different look on that one. And then some Copic coloring and just stamping, and then a little bit of Copic and some stickles liberally on it just for extra sparkle. And so those are my cards. Just really fun playing with some new product. In one of my first videos that I used distressed ink, I do talk about the fact that I had never used that ink just because I was afraid of using that tool, the Tim Holtz tool. I just could not really make it work for me. And maybe as I practice with these makeup brushes ones, I'll get more comfortable in using that. But for now, I just use, I wish I had them handy. I don't see one near me. But I just use the Picket Fence brushes, and they work really, really well for spraying the color. And these were the last ones that I did, and I think they came out the best. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Cricut the Heart.